In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an image as a text background in Figma. This is a handy skill for UI and UX design beginners looking to add a creative flair to their projects. So let's dive in and explore how easy it can be. First things first, head over to figma.com, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up, as Figma is an essential tool for designers. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage. This is your main hub for accessing all your design files and projects. Next, you'll need to navigate to the design section. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new frame. Think of a frame like a canvas where you organize your design elements. It's the groundwork for the magic we're about to create. After setting up your frame, proceed to select the text tool from the toolbar. Carefully place your text inside the frame. You can enter any text you like. It might be a word, a name, or any phrase that suits your design vision. When you're ready, add an image. The image tool will also be located in the toolbar, just like the text tool. Choose an image that you think will complement your text, something visually appealing and relevant to your design objective. Once your image is selected, position it within the frame. Here's where things start to get exciting. You need to select both the image and the text simultaneously. You can do this by clicking and dragging over both elements, or by holding down the Shift key and selecting them individually. With both elements highlighted, look for an option that says Use as Mask. This is located in the top menu. By activating the Use as Mask function, the image will be masked over the text. This means that the image will show only within the confines of the text, creating a dynamic background effect. And there you have it, you've successfully set an image as a text background. Remember, the key is to ensure that both the image and text are selected before using the mask function. This technique is excellent for creating engaging visual elements that captivate and communicate your brand story effectively. I hope this has been a helpful demonstration for you. Feel free to experiment with different images and text styles to see how this method can enhance your designs. With practice, you'll find it become second nature and a valuable tool in your design toolkit. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing what you create with this technique.